Hello guys, welcome back. Ton of things, but for today's video, here are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix sharper image message gun not charging or working. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're wondering how to exactly fix your sharper image message gun here if it's not charging or working, well, there are going to be a few things that you may want to do here. So first things first is you want to make sure that you clean the charging port first, which in this case you want to gently clean the charging port using a dry toothbrush or toothpick here or compressed air. Now again, the charging port is usually at the very end of the handle here, and also make sure to remove any dust, lint, or debris that could be blocking the connection, and be careful not to damage the port while cleaning it. So be gentle, in this case use only gentle pressure in this case for cleaning it. Next is you want to check your charging cable and adapter as well. Now you want to inspect the USB charging cable carefully for any signs of damage here, like frying, bends, or cuts, and try using a different cable or a charging device or a charging plug for it. And if your message gun uses a USB-C or micro USB port, test a compatible cable from another device, like for example your phone charger, to see if the issue is with the cable itself. Now, also, you may want to look for some charging lights indicator lights as well. So after plugging it in, check for the LED charging light here, usually located near the power button or the charging port. Now, if there's no light, press the power button once while plugged in, and some models require this to activate the charging system. And also, while you're charging here, if it's not working still, try a different wall outlet. So plug the charger into a different wall outlet to rule out any issues with the power supply. Sometimes the problem isn't the device, it's the outlet or breaker causing the problem. And also, if none of this actually work, perform a soft reset here. So in this case, you may want to look for a manual reset button near the charging port, usually in here. So some models have a small pinhole here. So if you do find it, use a paper clip or something similar. In this case, you want to press and hold it, or you want to press and hold the reset button. And in this case, if there's no visible reset button, simply press the and hold the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds to attempt a soft reset here. Now, once you've done that, just let it charge for about like half an hour or a full hour here and see if that helps. Now, if none of this actually work and you're having some issues with it, well, in this case, the only thing that you could do here is to contact customer service and see what are your options for this one. They could help you or help arrange you to get your device here fixed, or they could basically give you an option for a replacement, especially if you just recently bought your device here and if it's eligible. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFTinspo. Thank you for watching.